Okay, now guys, we will be looking at our WTI crude oil for the next day. Let's see where the price will actually be moving. So let's see where it will actually be moving for the next day. We are going to start our analysis from the weekly time frame down to our 1 hour time frame. I think our 4 hour time frame will actually be the time frame to actually place the trade. See it this way on our weekly time frame. We are actually bullish, right? See, I think this was around February 2020. You all can see it here around here. This was about since April 2020. We've actually been having this uptrend move on our WTI crude oil. So the price has actually been rallying up on this WTI. That is on the weekly time frame. Now, if you see it on this move, we actually add this movement here and we add a pullback area here. At this pullback area, I want you to also note that this is actually a key level we will be examining very soon. So we can see that once the price actually broke out, we add the pullback raise, right? We add the impulse move again, which broke out of this previous pullback, and we saw that the price actually came to test this level again, which means this is a key level we should be watching out, which we'll examine very soon. So watch out for it. So on this WTI crude oil, we actually rally up to this level, which is our highs. Then the price dropped. We rally up again to that level, which I highlighted, which we are now taking as our resistance level. So basically this top analysis we did on this is our resistance level, and now price has now dropped right on our WTI crude oil. So the top I actually highlighted it because that is our resistance level. So basically this level we talked about, where price has actually reacted to multiple times, it has actually come to this level again. This is it on our WTI. It is now at this level. What we are expecting again on this our weekly time frame standpoint is actually a bullish move. And guess what? Our price has actually opened. It has actually opened bullish, by the way. We are expecting an impulse move, and if it will continue to go bearish, then we'll see a drop, by the way. But before that, we would love to see the impulse move to tap this 10-period moving average. This moving average you are all seeing here is 10. So if you are to continue to go bearish, just like probably this impulse move, a correction was made, which is the 10-period moving average. Another impulse move downward. We saw this huge wick. It broke below this previous lows, and we are having a pullback again on this WTI crude oil, which means once the crude oil actually pushes up with this 10-period moving average, we should be expecting a drop. Exactly what we are expecting on our WTI crude oil, right? So basically, to actually know where the price will be moving for the next day, we would roll down to the daily time frame. Now this daily time frame, this is actually where we started having this drop on this WTI crude oil. Ever since then, we have actually been having an impulse move downward, a correction, an impulse move again, a correction downward, and it has actually been dropping. So we would analyze it from here. Now this is actually a bearish move. So basically this is let's say there was a drop, by the way. So this drop actually broke below this lows. We saw this drop here, and a pullback was made here. We saw another drop. All these drop were actually breaking the previous lows. Likewise, all these ones, we saw this drop here, but we saw came here, gave us like kind of a double bottom around this area, then pushes up. We saw this huge impulse move again, which broke below the previous lows level, right? So we are having a pullback at this level on this WTI crude oil. Exactly why on this Monday, which is 12, we actually opened and closed bullish. So where do you think we will be open? What will happen tomorrow? I think on the 13th we would actually want to go up again. Currently we are trading at 87.6 to 1. So it depends on when you are watching it. Let's see if the price will actually roll up to 90, then very much likely to get a drop. I would love to see the reaction at this level. We saw this week here where our price came back, give us a pullback, dropped. So we are actually on a pullback and we are expecting a drop. So watch out for it. There's very possibility we might might open and close bearish. But watch out for this WTI crude oil. In case it will go bullish, then it should probably possibly not pass 90. We should see a little bit of a bullish move when it will hit 90 and a drop again. So WTI crude oil, we are kind of expecting a little bit of an uptrend move, a bullish move, a little bit of a bullish move, then a drop. If it opens and closes bullish, then fine. Then you should possibly see it close at tap just at this level. This level is actually a key level, or also you should watch out for. We saw the level reacted here. The level reacted here. It also reacted here. Very much. Let's see if the level will actually roll up. To actually roll up to that level, which is about 93. Well, let's see if it. I don't think. Let's see if it will get to 93 tomorrow. WTI crude. Let us aim for 93, by the way. So once it gets to 93, then we should be expecting a drop on this WTI crude. So above all, on this WTI crude, we are expecting it to roll up to 93 before we get a drop on this WTI crude oil. Now to enter this trade, we will roll down to the 4-hour time frame. So basically on this trade, we are still expecting a bullish move to 93 before a drop. But this 4-hour time frame says we are actually on an uptrend move. 4-hour is the time frame we would want to place the trade, but the move is still uptrend, and secondly, it's above 10 period moving average. This is an impulse move. We add a little bit of a correction here on 4-hour time frame. We add another impulse move. We add a correction here. Now another impulse move, and we are starting to have a correction on this 4-hour time frame. Possibly once we have that correction that hits our 10 period moving average in 4-hour time frame. Once again, depends on when you are watching it, then we should see a roll up on this WTI crude oil, possibly to roll up to hit 93. Once we have the 93, then we will actually have a drop. So for our time frame, we are still bullish and possibly we should trade with it. And the 1-hour time frame is still an uptrend move. So basically, daily time frame, we are rolling up. We are expecting a drop anytime soon. For our time frame, a confirmation, we are still bullish, so we should still go bullish with it. And the 1-hour time frame still bullish, by the way, so we should actually go bullish with it. So if you are trading this WTI crude oil, you should consider going long on this our WTI crude oil till it go to our level, which is about 93. Then we are expecting a drop from that level.